Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Unbounce for Lead Gen CRM Forms step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Unbounce website. Log into your existing Unbounce account or create a new one if you do not have an account. Once logged in, locate the Create New button on the dashboard. Select Landing Page from the options provided. Choose a template that suits your lead generation needs. After selecting a template, click on Start Building. You will be taken to the Page Builder interface. On the left side, locate the Forms element in the Components panel. Drag and drop the form element onto your landing page. Now, click on the form to access its settings. In the Form Fields section, you can customize which fields you want to include. Common fields for lead generation are name, email, and phone number. Adjust the field labels and types according to your requirements. Next, scroll down to the Form Submissions section. This is where you will set up actions for when visitors submit the form. Select Add Action to choose how you want to handle submissions. For CRM integration, look for the option to connect to your chosen CRM platform. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect your CRM account. Ensure that the mapping of the form fields to your CRM fields is correct. Once mapped, you can configure any additional settings, such as email notifications. After setting up the form actions, review the overall design of your landing page. Ensure that all elements are aligned and visually appealing. When satisfied, click on the Publish button at the top right corner. Choose your domain settings or use a Unbounce subdomain if preferred. Click on Publish again to make your landing page live. Now, visit the live page to test your lead generation form. Fill in the fields with test information and hit Submit. Check your CRM to verify that the information has been recorded correctly. If all works well, you have successfully integrated a lead gen form with Unbounce. You can now monitor and analyze the leads generated through your landing page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.